This is my pretty birdie, Sheldon. Yes, Sheldon, I know you like going crazy. Just trying to show off, aren't you? Wow. Jeez, bird. Did you know you're freaking crazy? Oh my god. Looks like your head's gonna fall off, Sheldon. Say bye.